What's up, nail friends? In my last jelly nail tutorial, I asked you guys if you wanted to see more, and you guys said yes. So I thought I'd do a backfill and show you how to change the design with just a few different steps. So if you like that, just keep watching. To start this design, I'm just using a ceramic bit, and this is a flame bit instead of a carbide bit. So I'm just shortening her nails a little bit and reshaping them. So her last set, they were pointy, but after I film her nails, I always take them down into a shape she can handle more because she does play baseball. So when I'm filming, I keep them long and pointy, and then we just take them down just for her baseball. So that's why they're rounded out here. So I'm just using this to go around, and I'm trying to keep most of the bulk in the nail and keep that angel paper in place because this is just going to be a backfill. So I'm just taking down that old color, then I'll reshape the nails and prep them, and then we'll go in to do a backfill. Once I've removed that color and debulked the nail a little bit, I take a 100 to 180 grit hand file and I fix up the shape. And I decided to keep them a rounded out, more almond shape instead of pointy this time, just to change it up. So I'm just going to skip ahead a little bit. I did push back her cuticles, scrape off the cuticle off the nail plate, and remove that skin with a cuticle bit. And now we're going to go in with some clear gel. Here I'm just using my Light Elegance Cool Gel, and I'm going to use my favorite brush. This is my Egoista brand gel brush. So we did have a casualty playing baseball, so we're going to fix this nail up. I've applied a form, and now I'm just applying that clear gel and making an extension onto that form. And I place the gel right at the free edge area, and then I create my shape. And then I'm just pulling that clear gel up onto that natural nail so that after it's cured, it doesn't come off with the form. I had her cure that broken nail, and now I've switched back to her other hand, and I'm starting at the pinky, and I'm just applying that clear gel in the regrowth area and a little bit over top of the rest of the nail. Then I'm coming in with a bigger blob of clear gel, and I'm just creating that apex and making sure that the nail is even. So coming back to the broken nail on the other hand, I'm applying just a thin layer of clear gel on this nail, and I'm going to cure that, and then I'm going to come back and add the angel paper in a second. So now I'm filling in the rest of her nails the same way I did on the pinky, applying a thin layer over the whole nail, and then I'll come back in with a bigger bead of gel to fill it in and create an apex and make the nail even. So here I'm just coming in with cut up pieces of angel paper, and I'm just placing it where I think it would have been if it had grown out. Make sure to flash cure that angel paper into place. And then now I'm building up this nail by applying a thin slip layer, and then I'm going to come back in with my bigger bead to create my apex and create the whole nail. Okay, so now that all the nails have been rebuilt and fully cured, I'm coming in and debulking these nails with the same ceramic flame bit. So I just go around the cuticle area with this bit, and then I just go over the whole nail, trying to just lightly debulk. I'm hardly using any pressure doing this. I'm just using it to lightly debulk, and then I'll come in with a hand file. So here I'm just using this hand file to go over the sides and fix up the shape, and then I go over the whole nail to even it out. When I'm happy with the shape of the nails, I come in with a white buffing block just to buff the surface of the nails so that when I put my gel on, there's no deep scratches. When I'm done buffing all the nails, I remove all the dust, and I had her wash her hands. I'm using the same brand jelly polish that I used in the last jelly tutorial. This one's Egoista, and this is number 4. This is just a really beautiful purple. With these jelly type polishes, you're only going to need the one coat, so make sure to get nice and close to the cuticles and sidewalls, and you can see right away when putting this on that you can see that gorgeous angel paper shining through. I love this brand for these kind of gel polishes. These are their metallic polishes. They go on top of a silver base, but if you do them over top of glass nails like I am, they come out really cool and just create that really neat jelly effect. And I really like how high pigment, but not too high pigment. They're the perfect transparency for this jelly trend. So now when you cure this, you're only going to want to cure it for about 30 seconds so it stays nice and tacky, because we're going to be adding these Chameleon flakes. These are from the nail team, and this one is in the color purple. So pretty. So you're just going to want to take a makeup applicator. These don't matter what brand you use. Literally dollar store stuff will be perfectly fine. So you're going to dip that into the flakes, and then you're just going to dab it onto the nail and make sure that it sticks to that. And then once you're happy and it sticks, then you can kind of rub it in a little bit. So here I decided to put it on her pinky and then her pointer finger, and we wanted to see if we liked it before doing it on every nail. So that's why I switched over and didn't do the other two in the middle, but we did end up liking this a lot and doing it on all the nails. Now you're just going to want to finish curing the rest of that nail to make sure that those flakes stick into that. So after that's been cured, I'm just wiping off any excess with a big fluffy brush. So here I'm coming in with my Ugly Duckling Stick-It. This is a gel type glue that I use on top of gel nails or on top of gel polish to glue my Swarovski crystals onto. Because I find it's a little bit better to use something like this on top of gel instead of something like, say, the Kira Sky base where it would slide around a little bit. This just doesn't move around. It makes it a little bit easier. And the tool I'm using here is from Beanie Beauty Box. It's their new rose gold crystal picker upper. It's really nice. And I'm using my crystals from Crystal Princess, and you can use my code to get a gift with purchase, and that's Sarah30. Another awesome thing about the Ugly Duckling Stick-It is that it doesn't dry or cure until you stick it in the light. So you can really move around those crystals and charms and stuff to exactly how you like it. So then I'm going to give that a full cure, and then now is when you go in with your top coat. So here I'm using my Kira Sky No Wipe top coat. This is the one in the black bottle. And I'm just applying that all over the nails and around the crystals. Don't get this on top of your Swarovski crystals, but you can get it on top of these little silver beads to keep them into place. Once your top coat is applied, you'll give that a full cure, and here is the finished design. I hope you guys like this super simple and easy to do jelly refill. And if you guys like this design, please give me a thumbs up. And if there's anything else you would want to see, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Keep your nails long and your glitter strong.